It's such a simple question, but it's not that easy.
So the first thing that is at the forefront is
we overestimate what we can do in 1 year, and we underestimate what we can do in 10 years.
Perpetuating a misinformed belief that some of us have it all together. This is the great letting go that we're having in life right now.
How do you create a lifestyle around something? You create very practical routine around it.
If you can get those 4 things down, it's probably worth 8 to 10 extra years of life expectancy.
My inspiration was my desperation. How many of you believe that through challenge comes change?
When we move our bodies, we allow ourselves to physically, emotionally, and spiritually move through everything that comes up in our life.
We have an incredible morning planned for you with valuable insights and world-renowned information from wellness experts, in addition to workshops, movements, and a lot more.